people. They don't know how to drive anymore. What the hell? Leave that thing at home, brother.
Stay in your car, sir.
What are you doing?
Stay in your car. I'm pulling you over. Stay over.
Why are you pulling me over? I was parked.
Stay in your car.
Okay, you're being recorded and live streamed to YouTube right now.
Stay in your car, please.
Why am I being stopped?
Because the plates on your vehicle come up to someone who's deceased. So sit in your vehicle, please.
Well, no kidding they are.
Have a seat.
You can come and check my registration. Do a proper traffic stop on me. Don't be a jerk to me. I'm with Cop Watch.
Get back.
You're getting downloaded onto YouTube right now.
Get back to your vehicle, please.
You're live streaming to YouTube.
That's fine. Get back. Okay, I'll grab your license from you, please, sir.
So the reason you pulled me over is because I'm watching you, eh? What's your badge number?
It's 813.
What's your name?
It's Constable Seal.
Okay, thank you very much. Hey, you want the registration or not? Because that's the reason you said you pulled me over.
Because I can pull up the plate.
Well, I mean...
I don't need a copy of registration.
Okay, because it says registered user right here on the registration.
The only thing that I want to make sure, because this comes up...
The only reason you pulled me over is because I'm a cop watcher. Go do your thing and bring me back my
If I
license.
can please talk to you, sir.
Have a great day. Quickly.
I'm gonna
I don't
explain
have
this-
patience for people that are tyrants. Go ahead.
Can I help you? Is everything okay?
Yeah, they're watching you because I called them actually, so they're watching you.
Okay, it's fine. Here you go. You're free to go. I just want to make sure you had a valid
Well, of
license.
course I'm free to go. So what did you do harassing me for this? Why were you harassing me exactly?
I tried to explain to you earlier.
Why did you pull me over for the reason, period?
If you're not going to let me
The
finish
specific reason you pulled me over. What
I-
traffic violation did I do?
Okay, if you're not going to let me finish talking, if you're just going to talk over me and just make a show
You
of
say
this,
what the answer to the question is instead of
I'm
double
going to
talking
explain
me.
that to you.
Why did you pull me over?
Under the traffic safety laws, we're allowed to pull anyone over to ensure they have a valid driver's license. And when I ran your plate, when you were recording me back there, I ran your plate when you drove off,
Okay.
and it came up to someone who's deceased. So I wanted to ensure you had a valid license, and you do, so you're free to go.
So now you know exactly what you said. You pulled me over because you were recording, that I was recording you.
I
You
ran
just
your-
said that on camera.
I ran
Go
your-
away. Have a great night.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself. Here comes your complaint.
Dad, Squirty has some glue. Wait.
Yeah? Oh my heck.
Whoa.
Oh,
We just
man.
witnessed an accident. Okay, there's one coming up behind you, so like put on your hazards. Okay. Everybody okay?
Yeah.
Cái gì vậy? Đụng xe.
Xe nào?
Này.
Sao? Chả có gì vậy? Sao càng quá chạm bên đó dữ vậy? Ồ, ghê.
What is up, guys? Well, this is why I have Dashcam. Alright, so I guess this is the coolest near miss reaction ever. So this guy would just you know, just drive beside me, just staring me down. Like, I don't know what's wrong with his face. So, and then somehow he ended up cutting me off. So it was so close. It was so close that I can't believe I didn't hit him. So I don't know what happened there, but I keep my cool, and then we'll see. All right, enjoy your video.
Oh, behind us.
They tried to cut in front of traffic, didn't they?